So, ganyan lang kadali, guys. So, September 13, yung kanilang official launch day. So, kung gusto yung gawin nyo na, guys. Dahil konting araw na lang. Don't forget to join my road to 10,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel. And of course, sa aking Facebook page as well. Marami akong exciting, more upcoming prizes. And huwag natin patagalin pa. Pag-usapan na natin ito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys!
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Majan. For today's video, meron ako sa inyong bagong i-share na another crypto airdrop. Ito ay si Tipcoin. So if you are familiar with Trade Sniper, guys, so parang ganun din siya. Similar siya dahil it's all about Twitter. Kay Trade Sniper kasi, 'di ba, it's all about the followers, 'di ba? So ito naman is ang kailangan yung gawin, kailangan i-connect yung Twitter nga dito, and then of course, kailangan yung mag-reply, mag-quote or tweet mentioning hashtag parang $tip, and you will automatically be awarded points. So pointing system siya, guys. So kailangan yung karoon ng original tweet, guys. So and then kapag may mga views, and then may mga nag-comment, so may mga hashtag na kailangan. So it's all about Twitter din siya, guys. Parehas lang siya ni Trade Sniper. So kung di kayo familiar kay Trade Sniper, you can check that out sa upper right corner of your screen, guys. So maraming nagkagulo kay Trade Sniper, ganyan. So I hope na ito is maging okay siya. Hindi katulad ni Trade Sniper, guys, na medyo naging scam yung airdrop nga. So may mga ganun talaga. So hindi lahat kasi ng airdrop is legit talaga. So may mga ganun na airdrop talaga. So here, ayan, as you can see, meron sila expected point calculator. So regarding sa original tweet, so yung tweet nyo, kailangan may mga kasama yung hashtag, guys, ha. And then, ayan, may point is kung 0 yan, of course, 1 point per view. So kung maka 100,000 views ka, ayan, makuha mong points. And then likes, replies, quotes, and kung may magre-retweet pa yan, guys. Okay? And then here, a post in September 2023. So I think this is the part 2, guys. Kasi 'di ba, ano na to nabasa ko sa Twitter nila is yung unang release nito September 1, I think, or September 2. So now tayo ay mag-start. I-connect ko muna yung aking Twitter, guys. So madali lang naman. So you need to authorize para maka-connect kayo. So hindi pa pwedeng i-connect yung wallet nyo, guys. So for the meantime, yung Twitter, parang dito kayo kukuha ng points. So kung marami kayong mga followers, very magaling, marami nag-engage sa inyong mga tweets. So dito para sa inyo to, guys. So since yung processing siya, and then dito yung i-claim sa mga claim. Pero as of now, verification, soon pa siya kasi hindi pa naman talaga siya nalo-launch officially, guys. So yung wallet, hindi pa siya hindi pa siya pwede dahil nga sa hindi pa siya talaga totally launch. So 124 days left. So i-poach 2 na nga siya, guys. So parang second week, I think magkakaroon pa siguro ng 3 and 4. So I think by October talaga pinaka-launch date nila, guys, neto. Possible. Or kasi may narinig ako na launch day nila is September 13.
A few moments later.
Ayan, guys, so nakapag-isip na ako kasi diba kailangan mag-tweet, so kailangan original. So ayan, guys, so ito yung ginawa ko. So lalagay ko lang sa description box down below yung aking tweet. Paki-like na lang din, and don't forget you leave comment na $tip. Ayan yung Tipcoin ETH, yung at Tipcoin ETH. So ayan, so kailangan ilagay yan sa inyong reply. So just let me know, just comment down below kung gumawa din kayo para makapag-tweet ako or makapag-reply din ako, I may retweet sa inyo or makapag-reply din ako na ganito sa inyo guys. So don't forget also to do the same. So malay nga naman magkaroon ng e-pouch 3 guys. So pero malay nga makahabol tayo for the e-pouch 2 kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa ito si Tipcoin. Sana is mag-okay siya. So as you can see, official launch date daw is Wednesday, September 13. I don't know kung yan yung talaga yung launch date nila or yun yung end of the e-pouch 2. Diba? Kasi e-pouch 1 is tapos na talaga. So, e-pouch 2. So, I don't know for the e-pouch 3. So, nilagay ko na din pala dyan. Sinama ko na din yung ito yung pointing system, guys. So, 5 per day limit, guys. 2 times multiplier. And andyan naman siya. So, ilagay ko na din yung tweet link ko sa description box as well. And of course, the link for the... hindi siya kailangan ng guys, no need for the invite here. So, kailangan nyo lang talaga mag-reply sa tweet or mag-comment or something. So, andyan naman siya lahat, yung niya. So, here, send join message. Pero dun nga sa itong yun naman yan kapag kailangan mo makapag-tweet with the hashtags, guys. So, make it sure na kasama yung pinapasama nila, guys. Okay? Kung ano yung nakita nyo. So, makita nyo yan sa aking tweet, guys. So, pwede nyo gayahin, pero pwede nyo i-rearrange, i-rephrase, something like that, para may original yung sa inyo. So, nakita nga naman na e-pouch 2, diba? Siya. So, I think natapos na yung e-pouch 1. And then, nakita nga naman meron here na, ayan, e-pouch in September 2023. I think, buong September siya. Yun yung aking, prediction, guys. I don't know regarding the launch date nila sa September 13. I think yan yung end of the e-pouch 2 and magbibigay ng another airdrops. Alam ko kasi may nakita na ako, yung friend ko kasi mayroon na siyang parang Tipcoin here. So, possible na pwede na i-connect yung wallet or something like that. So, we will see, but we still have time, guys. So, today is September 10th. We still have 3 days, guys. So, or 124 hours left pa. Kaya gawin nyo na, guys, habang may time pa. Sayang din naman kung maging okay siya. Hindi siya maging katulad ni Trick Sniper, guys. So, let's hope na mag-bullish ito, guys, at maging okay talaga, diba? So, ito naman kasi is regarding kailangan nyo talaga mag-tweet and then may engage, may mag-retweet. Ito yung bagay dito sa mga quest ng So, nagko-quest for the Zili kasi yun naman yung mga ganito klase na mga quest sa Zili, diba? So anyway, so I'll update yun na lang, I think by September 13 kung ano ba talaga yun, guys, kung talagang launch date na nila. So until next time, goodbye!